Unit 1 Chemistry, Chapter 9, Part 4, Crude Oil. So when we're looking at these organic molecules, ones that we use in industry, the main source of them is crude oil. It was made, roughly speaking, 300 to 400 million years ago. There were lots of plants and animals living in the ocean, and they died. And most of them decayed, but some of them got covered in a layer of sand which stopped them from decaying. Over time, more things came on top of them, and they got pushed down, and the amount of heat and pressure they were under became enormous. And that turned them into two things. It turned them into natural gas, and it turned them into crude oil. So now what we can do is we can put up all these oil stations in the sea, drill down, and get those oil and gas deposits out. Natural gas isn't all that useful. I mean, it's what we burn with our Bunsen burners, it's used in cooking, but it's just one molecule, it's methane. But crude oil has a huge range of different organic molecules that we can extract from it. Okay? Most of the crude oil is used to make, this is American, so gasoline, petrol. Okay? Some of it we can use to distill to make different types of fuels, but different oils. Okay, so like propane gas that you might use in your barbecue, for instance. Okay, some of it's used to make jet fuel. Okay, but it does also have some other uses. Okay, we can use it to make lubricants, we can use it to turn into polymers or plastics, all of that kind of thing. Okay, the textiles, if you wear synthetic fabrics, about 40% of those textiles are made from oil, and that oil is turned into a polymer, and that polymer fibres are woven together to make clothes or otherwise. If you're thinking about high-tech fabrics that's used in sportswear, they can be 100% made from oil. Yeah? Some of it we will use to make CDs and DVDs. That's probably on the decline, but it is. A sofa will have about 60 litres of oil in it. Okay, so it's found in some strange places that you might not expect because it's so versatile, and we can use it to make these polymers, which is what we're going to learn about next, and those polymers have got a really wide range of uses.